This tutorial guides you through enabling the 2048 variants feature on Supply Master. Please verify that your Shopify store supports this feature before starting. On the home screen of your Supply Master app, navigate to Edit Supplier. Next, navigate to the Automatic Sync tab. In the setting, Maximum Variance per Product, choose 2048 variants as the option. Remember that this option will work only if this feature is enabled and rolled out to your Shopify store. Remember that this option will work only if this feature is enabled and rolled out to your Shopify store. Click Save Supplier to save all changes made to the supplier settings. Click Products for import to proceed to the Product Import section after saving supplier settings. Click Import Products to start importing products with the newly enabled 2048 variant limit. With that, you are done setting up Supply Master to sync 2048 variants.